How does Kiana style her hair? Olaplex shampoo and conditioner to prep the hair for styling. Now, 6 and 7 are used for bond smoothing, thermal protectant, UV protectant, and humidity resistance. I'm in love. I live in Florida, so these are a must-have. Also use a generic version of Miracle. It's a 10. Section the hair, put on some earplugs because we're going to be using the Revlon One Styler. And we all know that this is a very loud machine. So here is a time lapse of the process it takes to style my hair. The section size that I take is the size of the barrel on the hot air brush. Nothing less and nothing more. This ensures that each section is completely dry and completely polished. I'm blow drying my hair in my bathroom, so I need some water. Water break, baby girl. I have 2 fans on. So let's get back to business. Let's get it, baby. This is my second One Styler. The first one, it just wore thin because I use it every single week. Well, as you can see, it does provide maximum smoothing for my naturally curly hair. And I'm in love because it cuts down my styling time to 30 minutes compared to 2 hours that it used to take with a brush and a blow dryer. Remember, I do this myself, so cut me some slack. I grabbed some more 7 from Olaplex. This is gonna help prepare my hair for the thermal heat. I love to dance. I'm gonna use the Hoya Mia curling wand. And what I love about this wand, it also seals in this style. So not only do I have the Olaplex that's going to maintain my hair humidity free, I have this wand that's going to lock in the style. Now I'm using a larger barrel because I want something that's a little bit more lived in, more of that beach wave. I have the curling wand at 410 degrees because I have really resistant hair. This clip is in actual time, so you can see how long I leave it on and how I maintain the curl / wave. Here is a time lapse of me curling my entire head. The bigger the section, the looser the curl. The smaller the section, the tighter the curl. So keep that in mind when you're creating your waves. I like to vary with large and small sections. That's just my preference. Use your preference. Finally done. Now we have to wait for the curls to cool off. I finger combed pistachio oil. It's a serum from Italy. I combed it through my hair and I loosened up the curls. You see how it looks lived in? This is my favorite type of hairstyle at the moment. I will be showing you guys how I apply my 5-minute everyday makeup, so stay tuned for part 3 of this video series. Thank you for watching.